Okay, my peeps, let's make some chocolate chip cookies. I really don't know what to call these cookies, but you'll see when we get started right now. So I'm using like cookie dough colored clay because we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, and I'm gonna be using a mold because I love this mold. But you don't need to use this mold. I have a chocolate chip cookie video where I don't use a mold and you can make chocolate chip cookies with it, okay? But I'm going to use this mold because I really like this mold, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there so the cookie comes out nice. So I'm just going to take the dough, the clay, and just push it in there. Oh, I started off wrong. I want to put some chocolate chips. So in this mold, I like to put the little chocolate crumbles first. Like I made crumbles. You see these crumbles? This is from clay that has dried out. Like when you have dried out clay, don't throw it away. Crumble it. You could crumble it with a cheese grater, or you could crumble it with an old used coffee bean grinder. But do not throw away your dried out clay. Any color, crumble any color. You can use all the colors. Do not throw away your dried out clay, okay? Because we got to use all of our clay. This clay, not cheap. These craft supplies are not cheap. So for this, I'm just going around this part right here. I'm not going to put any in the middle because the eye is going to go in the middle, okay? I'm going to just put that to the side. All right, so now I am going to put my cookie dough in here. And I'm just going to, you want to like kind of shape it to your dough because you don't want to like smush it in there and all your chocolate chip cookies are going to like get messed up. You want them to kind of stay where they at. So just take your time and slowly press the dough into the mold. That way your chocolate chips stay right on top. They don't move around. So I'm just going to use the rolling pin. Try to get all that dough in there. It doesn't matter how the bottom looks. I mean, if you want it smooth, you can make it smooth, but I don't really care how the bottom part looks. So now I'm going to just pop it out. I'm going to get my Teflon sheet here. You see how the cookie looks? Like it has chocolate chips on it, right? So now, I don't like the shape of this cookie. That's the only thing I don't like about that mold. So I'm going to make mine round, okay? With a round cookie cutter because I don't like that ugly shape. So now, I got my cookie. Make sure you get them edges up good. And then now, I'm going to use an eye. So I chose the eye that is a good size for this cookie, but these eyes come in different sizes, and you could get a smaller cookie. You can make a smaller cookie if you want or whatever. You can find these eyes on play code 3, and I have a coupon code for play code 3 in the comment box under this video if you want to get you some. So I'm just pushing it down. I'm not even going to put glue or anything. I'm just pushing it down, okay? So now I'm going to take that little bit of leftover clay that I had, and I'm just going to roll it out like this. And I'm going to take some of these little bit of crumbs, and I'm kind of just press it into here, okay? Just press it. You don't want to fill up the whole space, okay? You just want it to kind of go here and there. And then I'm going to just press it down like that. I'm not even going to roll it out with my rolling pin. And I'm just going to try to find a good spot to cut out. So you're going to need a smaller size cookie cutter. Okay? And then I'm going to take that cookie cutter and I'm just going to not cookie cutter, I'm going to take the cookie and I'm going to slice it in the middle, but I'm going to kind of take off some on one side, okay? Now this, when you get this 2 pieces, you want to stretch it out a little bit because this is going to be an eyelid, so you kind of want to stretch it out a little bit. If you want to stick more cookie crumbles in there, you can. And then you're going to take that piece, hold on, and then you're going to take that piece, and you're just going to put it over the eye. Wait, because I kind of wanted to, right? So you're going to just take it and just put it over the eye like that. See that eyelid? It's going over the eye, right? And then you're going to take the bottom piece and you're going to stretch it out a little bit too, smash it down. You don't want it to be too thick. And you're going to take it and you're going to put it on the bottom. And then it's going to look creepy. So I got a little brush here. This is like a denture brush that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to, I want it to kind of blend into this. I don't want to do too much, but I just want it to blend a little bit into the original cookie. So I'm going to put a little bit of texture on there. Then I'm going to come on the other side and I'm going to do the same thing. Just put some texture kind of, you want kind of this edge to be a little, not, you don't want it to blend perfectly with the bottom because you want it to look like an eyelid, you know. But just kind of press it in there. All right, and there go your cookie. Okay, don't that look creepy? Now you can make a bunch of these. I didn't make a lot. I just made 2 because you guys know I just make enough for you guys to see what I'm doing. And then that's it. I don't really make too much. So now you're gonna get you some classic caramel because you want to make it look baked, right? You want to give it that baked look. And what I did with my brush now, of course, oh, it's right here. So you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna dry brush. So that means you're gonna take most of the paint off your cookie and you're gonna make it look baked. You see how it looks? It gives it like a little baked color. Now you want to make sure you get most of that paint off of your cookie. You don't want it to be blotchy or leave a lot of paint on your cookie. Now make sure you don't cover over the eye, so just stay away from the eye part. And I'm just gonna go in there, give it that baked look. Reach out to me. Okay, all right. And I make sure you get the edge. Make sure you get that edge, because that's where the part you want it to look baked, you know. And that's basically it. And now you have your, I don't know what do I call this cookie. It's just a creepy chocolate chip cookie, I guess. I don't know what else to call it, guys. But that's what I got. Creepy chocolate chip cookie. And there you go. I made these 2. You see how they look? Creepy. You can make you some for your Halloween decor. I thought they came out pretty cool. I might make 2 more. I might make 2 small ones for those 2 small eyes over there. I'll see. But anyway, guys, that's it. Creepy eye chocolate chip cookies. Give me a name. What should I call them? But anyway, guys, I hope you like this quick little tutorial. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.